Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're going to be creating this really gorgeous Hello Kitty freestyle. I'm so excited, so let's get into it. I'm starting off with my nails already buffed and base coated. I'm using the Beetles base coat, and then I'm going in with this color called Speeding Ticket from Nail Reserve LA. You guys know this is my favorite brand. Their polishes are so pigmented, and I love the color range that they have. Sorry you guys, that's my dog in the back. She wants me to play with her, but I can't. I have to voice over this for you guys. So yeah. Now we're going to be using number 19 from Nails Bling Supply, and I'm going to be doing a coat of that on all the nails, and then I'm going to be going in with a coat of NB21 from Nails Bling Supply after that. So yeah, I'm doing that on all the other nails because these are going to be a French tip. Next, you guys, I knew for sure that I wanted this to be a red and green set because I wanted it to be cherry themed. So I'm going in with this color from nailzbydev called I Slay. This is from her Christmas collection of last year, and you guys, like, this color is to die for. I absolutely love this color. I've used it only a few times on my channel, but every time that I use it, I tell you guys how amazing it is. It is the most sparkliest gel polish you could ever see in your life. Like, it is so gorgeous in person. Right before making this video, I went to buy 2 more because I think they're limited edition, and I didn't want to like run out like after posting this video in case like a lot of people went to buy it or something. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to be safe. So yeah, you guys, if you like any glittery red colors or you've been looking for one, definitely get one right now in time for Christmas. And you could even do like a cherry set like I did. You can just always have a red glitter. It just literally comes in so much handy. And yeah, so basically I just placed that on top of the red polish, and I'm doing 2 coats of that glittery color. Next, for my light green, I'm using this color from iGel Beauty called Green Tea Frappuccino. You could actually just use a white gel, put some on a paint palette, and put a little tiny bit of green in it, and you'll get the same color. So if you want to like custom mix your own, I'm using this color because this is all I had that was similar to a light green that I was looking for, and I just had this color on hand, but I have had this color for probably like 2 or 3 years now. I've had it for so long, and anytime I need a light green, I always go back to this color and use it, but it's almost empty, so I'm gonna have to repurchase something similar soon, probably from a different brand. But yeah, I'm just doing friendships with that color on the other hands that I did, on the other fingers that I did nude on. Something else I wanted to mention was that I actually did buff my nude before I even placed the green color. I always forget to mention that, but because I'm so into chrome, I love this white chrome, I'm going in with this color on top of the green. I'm just doing it on the cured gel polish. I didn't do a top coat or anything underneath. I'm just doing this with the little sponge thing that it comes with, and I'm putting it on. And the best thing about having the base coat already buffed, like the nude part, is that the chrome isn't going to stick to the nude. So it really comes in clutch when you want to go back and you have to clean up and all that. It's just so much more difficult to have to clean all the extra areas where the chrome gets stuck. So by buffing first before you apply the color, then you get to just put your chrome and not have to worry about it. So yeah, basically what I'm saying is only apply your gel polish color where you want your chrome to be. So yeah, that's what I did. And then now I'm going in with my gel polish top coat. I'm going in with the Beetles No Wipe. So I'm using that on every single nail. And I'm doing this first because I'm going to be going in with all the gems and rhinestones and everything like that. So yeah, we're just doing this, and I'm making sure that I have the edges cleaned up. I like to just do it as seamlessly as possible so that I don't have any extra lumps of gel on the sides or anything. And I love this gel because it's like a nice thick consistency. I just try to say the same thing in every video so that anyone that's new that's watching, you know, can understand why I use these products. So this was a freestyle, and these are the gems that or charms and gems that I selected that I wanted to use. So I have little bows, I have little cherries, Hello Kitty, and everything like that. So this person actually ordered a freestyle, and I was so excited that she ordered a freestyle, but I was like, I wonder if she's gonna like cherries or not. And thankfully she had a cherry in her bio. So I was like, okay, I think I can do cherries. Maybe she would like it because she has a cherry in her bio. So these are the Hello Kitties that I had. They have a pink bow, but we're going to transform that. I will show you guys in a second later what I'm going to do. I'm getting these really pretty zircon nail charms. I think that's what they're called. And it's just they're so elegant. They're so high quality. They are a little bit pricey, but I get them on AliExpress, and I will put them in the description. And then I'm doing these little red hearts. I also got these from AliExpress, but a really long time ago. I'm gonna see if I can find them and also put those for you guys. And then I also have this really gorgeous little red bow. I love the way it looks with the cherries. It just looks so cute. So yeah, I definitely wanted to use my charms for this. If you guys have been noticing, I've been trying to use more of my Sanrio charms, and that's because I recently like had a bunch of orders for freestyles, and of course a freestyle I get to use the charms that I want to use. And because I bought so many Hello Kitty and Sanrio charms when I did my last big AliExpress haul, I really wanted to go ahead and use them finally. So yeah, I'm really excited that I got two. So I did the cherry in the middle there, and I'm doing the bow right here on the thumb, and then you guys will see how I kind of just put everything together. I'm doing another zircon charm right there, and I did do both hands different, so you'll see how the other hand ends up looking in a bit. So now I'm doing the other hand, and I'm always buffing first before I put my gems on, just so that I have a spot for my gems to get stuck to. And I am using the Zulays bling adhesive for my rhinestones and my charms. It is the best of the best. Your rhinestones will not fall off. It's literally so good. But you definitely want to work kind of quickly because it dries pretty fast, but it depends. Like, I try to use a lot of product so it doesn't dry too fast, And also because I'm using these big charms, I like to have more gel for them to stick to. But as you can see, I tried to move that cherry a little bit right now and it didn't move, so it was already stuck there. So yeah, that's like the thing, you have to work really fast with these. As you could see here, I was trying to also move that and I couldn't. But yeah, so I'm going ahead and I am putting more rhinestones. I'm doing a mix of white and red, and then I'm just layering the charms. I love this look of like the charms all on one nail. I really like how they look. So yeah, now on the middle finger, I'm going to go in with the other charms. I'm going in with this heart, and I'm going to just switch it up than I did with the other hand. Personally, my favorite hand is this one. I love this one more. I don't know why, but I just like this one. So yeah, now I'm doing this, and you guys will see what I'm doing, but I'm just kind of freestyling as I go. So here is where I realized that the pink bow just wasn't going well with the rest of the set. I could see it, like it was honestly standing out to me. So I went ahead with my thin brush and some red gel polish, the same one, the one that's called Speeding Ticket, and I'm going to paint the bow red. This just really made it look so much better. I ended up really loving the bow red because this is the same exact shade of red as the bow that's on the thumb. So it just all tied in perfectly. I really, really loved it. So yeah, so I'm just doing that, and then I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm not going to top coat the bow because when I wipe it with alcohol, the sticky layer will come off and it'll just look like perfect. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. And yeah, I just really liked how the red just tied in perfectly, and I didn't have a Hello Kitty with a red bow or else I would have used that. But yeah, so this is the set, how it came out. This is the set together. It's so freaking cute. I really hope she likes it. Like, I always get so scared of freestyles because I don't know if they're gonna like it or not, or if it's their style. And once again, this is the finished product. I absolutely love this set. I have never done like a red and green like this that isn't Christmas, so I really hope she still likes it. And if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Bye!